Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you day 6 Little Whale location in Heartopia Call of Whales event. Okay, let's get into it guys. For the day 6, we need to find this Olivine Splash Whale, and I'm going to show you the location. So you're just going to go to the Wellfall Canyon and you will find this building. Okay, go to the cam area and go to this building and you will see this Olivine Splash Whale. Oops. Okay, don't forget to take a photo of it like this. Okay. And I've just unlocked the Olivine Splash Whale. And now it's time to find the bubble. Okay, let me show you the location on the map. It's right here in this building. Okay, now I'm gonna find the bubble guys. We can go out and explore this area. Alright, and the bubble is just here. Alright. I've just claimed the Olivine Splash Whale furniture. Okay guys, and that's how you can find day 6 Little Whale location in Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.